Welcome guys. Welcome to Cooking with Nina. Let's get excited. I'm so excited to share with you something special. And this is called my Jamaican shrimp. Okay, so it's gonna be a deep fried shrimp cooked with curry powder seasoning. Okay, let's jump right in. So the first thing I like to do, as you know, is show my seasoning. So you want to cut up some bell pepper, some tomato, some onion, and some tomato. And of course, I love my garlic. Okay, you put it into your mixer and you want to just blend it up right quick, real easy. Okay, so you blend that up, and now, and you can use this for chicken, hamburger, steak, ribs, anything. This is fresh seasoning blended. So now here is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup of this seasoning, and I'm gonna season my shrimp, guys. Okay, you want to pour it over your shrimp, and if you notice, the shells is on my shrimp. So this is two cups of 1/4 of seasoning. This is fresh seasoning. And so now we're gonna take our hands, and you just wanna mix up your shrimp. You wanna make sure that fresh onion and bell pepper, blend it all in, okay? Blend it all in. So now you're gonna take just a little bit of your seasoning powder, okay? So I like to use some Larry's seasoning, and you want to sprinkle a little bit, okay? Now if you like to measure your stuff, okay, you want to use less, about a 1/2 teaspoon of the Larry's, so you could use your measuring if you like. Okay, I like to measure from my eyes, so you use a little bit of that. And now I'm going to use some onion powder, okay? You want to sprinkle a little bit of onion powder over your seasoning, and some garlic powder, of course. Okay, now I do both. Even though I have the fresh seasoning, I also use the powder seasoning, okay? And some cayenne pepper, because it's curry, so it's supposed to be very spicy, not too hot. And if you can't eat peppers, you don't want to make it too hot, guys, okay? So now I'm gonna put my gloves back on, and I'm gonna mix everything up. I'm gonna mix up my shrimp, guys. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna mix up my shrimp, okay? Now I'm gonna let that sit for just a little bit, okay? Now I'm gonna take my seasoning, and I wanna mix my flour up, okay? But first, I'm gonna use a 1/2 tablespoon of curry powder, okay? So this is the kicker, guys. So I'm actually not gonna really fill it up too much, so this should be good, okay? And I'm gonna drop that in my flour, okay? Now I'm gonna use some cayenne pepper, the same amount for my curry I'm using for my cayenne pepper. There you go. You don't want to fill it up too much. You put that in. You also want to add your Larry's seasoning. And I'm making this easy, so I use 1 set spoon, okay? Put that in my flour. And I'm using some garlic powder. And I'm not going to put too much, if you see. Put that in my flour. And now we're going to use some garlic. And that was actually onion powder. No, garlic powder. We're going to use some onion powder. Okay, the same amount from my onion powder. And this is to give the flour a little bit of seasoning, you know, so it can have a little taste to it. So next, now I'm going to break an egg, because this is what's going to make my my shrimp, sorry, I'm thinking about chicken. This is what's going to make my shrimp, you know, real nice and crunchy, okay? So you want to beat your egg, okay? You want to beat your egg. And I'm going to use a half a tablespoon of heavy cream, okay? Actually, this is a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, okay? So we're gonna use a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, There you go. And you're going to pour it with your egg. So now I'm making the batter. Okay? And you want to beat this. You want to make sure you beat it good. Now, if you want to add a little bit of seasoning to your batter, you could. But if you notice, I have it here with my flour already. So I don't want to make it too salty. So now I'm going to put my gloves back on and I'm going to put my shrimp in this little egg batter. Okay? Now, you don't have to cook all the shrimp you want. You can just cook a little bit. Okay? So I'm going to drop a few in there. And you want to make sure you stir that up really, really good. Mix it up real good. Now you see that? So now we're going to take each one out and we're going to drop it in my flour. Okay? I'm going to drop it in my flour. You want to shake off your excess liquid from the egg that you just beat and the heavy cream. Shake that off. Okay, make sure you shake that off. And now after I put all my shrimp in there, I'm gonna go ahead and shake up my batter. And my oil is getting hot already. Okay, I'm gonna take that gloves off. Now I have my shrimp in here, and now we're ready for frying, people. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. So now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to walk over here and drop my oil is hot, so I'm going to drop my shrimp. And this is very hot, and now we're going to let this fry. And I have 2 baskets, really hot. And guys, you can have this over a salad. You can have it over some fried rice. You can have it whichever way. You can have it over with French fries. And you want to fry this real nice and crispy. Okay, so now I have that frying. I'm going to come back, and as soon as my shrimp is finished frying, I'm going to come back and take it out so you can see it's supposed to be nice and crunchy. Okay, so let me recap what I did. So you wash your shrimp like before. You want to wash your shrimp, clean it. Okay, that's what I did. If you notice, my shrimp is clean, and I leave the skin on it. Okay, you wash it with vinegar and lemon. Okay, vinegar and lemon. You use any kind of vinegar that you have. You can use, guys. Okay, you drain your excess water off, and then you add your little seasoning. So this is you can use some green onion, you can use your tomato, your bell pepper, and you blend it all up, and there you have fresh blended seasoning. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. That's good. Fresh blended season, it's good, guys. You put this on your hamburger, steak, ribs, and guess what? You put it up for the next day. Mwah! It tastes even better. Oh my goodness, yes. Then I made my batter. So I add my seasoning powder, I add my onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and of course, I add my curry powder. So this is why I call it my curry fried shrimp. Oh my goodness. Let's get excited. That's a Jamaican style. We change up everything. We might not make it in Jamaica, but we try to change it up some, so it's always something new. So I'm checking out my shrimp. And man, these are looking awesome. These are looking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes. So once again, you can make this with French fries, fried rice, and a salad. I'm going to prepare mine with a salad. So I'm going to come back and show you once it's done preparing with a salad. So I'm going to get a little plate here, and you want to put a napkin so this way you can dry all the excess oil up, okay? You want to take all your excess oil and you want to dry it up because you don't want too much oil on your shrimp. So I'm laying some napkins down, and then I'm going to come back and show you when I make my salad. And guys, these shrimps are frying. Ooh, they're frying real good. So this is something really special, okay? This is something that's really good. And you probably want to know why I have two different. So this is turmeric, guys. This is good. It's also good when you mix it with your curry. And then we have the regular curry powder, okay? Awesome. So now my shrimp should be finished. I'm going to take this out so I can actually show you. And this is awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now there you go. We have our finished fried curry shrimp. Okay? Awesome. I will be putting it together in a sandwich. Not a sandwich, but on a salad. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put it together on a salad for you. Of course, I'm thinking about a po' boy sandwich. We're going to do that one too. Coming soon to you. You will be able to see that. So once again, I want you to hit like, subscribe, go to my YouTube channel. Please, guys, I need to get the subscription. Hit like, subscribe to Cooking with Nina. Let's get excited. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.